What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this update on Dogecoin. Yesterday was a pretty big day, I would say, for Dogecoin. Obviously it was 420. And we also had some things going on with SpaceX, but for multiple reasons, which we'll talk about in this video, we crashed down a little. I'll call this a little crash. It's not that big of a crash, but we crashed down. Technically, we are still bullish, though. We'll talk about that as well. But just in general, it's going to be a fun video, but also an interesting and valuable video. So yeah, that's before we get into Dogecoin specifically. If you want to receive daily crypto trading signals from me in my profitable trading signal group, there are links down in the description, and in the Discord and the Telegram group, you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Dogecoin. So analyzing Dogecoin is always a fun thing because there's no other crypto that reacts to events in a different way or in such a way. So I think this bearish momentum for Dogecoin actually was fueled by multiple things. First of all, around that same time yesterday, we got some bearish momentum from Bitcoin, right? We had quite a big bearish breakout. So that definitely caused some of this bearish momentum. But apart from that, also 420 ending, which probably wasn't that big of a deal because we actually already dropped down on 420. But apart from that, for example, the SpaceX launch, I think it went wrong, or at least went wrong. It depends. They probably learned a lot from it, right? But it failed after a couple of minutes. So I think that combination kind of with those three things and nothing happening on 420 was the cause for a bearish, was the cause for a little crash like this. Now, in the end, what I said, why we are still bullish, is that this trend line, as you can see, you could argue if you zoom out that this is just a higher low. And we are also still on top of the 200 EMA. So technically we are still bullish. Now, whether I think we can hold that up, I'm not sure. I don't think so. Right now, obviously, and this is needed, it's not fun. But Dogecoin and Bitcoin right now are quite correlated, right? At any point of time that Elon Musk says something or there's a Twitter update, Dogecoin will be bullish. But that's not something I can predict. So right now, Dogecoin is just mainly following Bitcoin, I think. I think it will do that at least, even though we did not really do that the last couple of days, due to other reasons we just talked about. But I expect more bearish momentum for Bitcoin. I expect us to drop down to our next support level at around 27,700, 27,500. And from there we'll see again. But that does mean for Dogecoin that even though we might see some short-term bullish momentum up to like 8.6, around there, in the end, I do think the most likely scenario is that we will have a bearish breakout, excuse me. I keep switching those words today. But a bearish breakout, our main support is 8.3 cents. I think we'll break down below that and drop down to our next support level at around 8 cents and 7.9. So that's not a lot of movement, but that's what I expect for now. So even though on the short term today we might see some bullish momentum still, I think this will happen inevitably later, perhaps this weekend, and then we will really have to see what we do at 8 cents and 7.9 and what Bitcoin does at like 27,500 in order for us to gain a little bit better of an understanding of what's next for Dogecoin. So I'll definitely monitor that closely. I'll keep you updated on it as well, but for now this is my take on Dogecoin. So thank you for watching today. I'll see you in my next videos, and for now, bye.